Good morning. I am traveling down Chambers Chapel Road headed to Nature's Earth Products. I've got to pick up mulch today. Chris is at the firehouse, so I'm in this big hoss of a truck, and my job is to get the mulch, get it over to the site. We are so close to being finished. We're going to be a little bit behind what we had hoped to be, but just by a couple of days. And so we'll see how this goes. You never know exactly what you're going to be doing. You just do what needs to be done. So here I go, headed to get mulch. All right, Chris, you'll be happy to see I got the liner in the bed. I think it is threaded the correct way. And I have the handle. It is not going to be under the mulch. So I think I'm good to go get mulch. All of you women out there that are intimidated by doing something like this, I have found that as I do things in a man's world, most of the time, you may go through a little bit of picking on and just jeering, but most of the time the men around are more than welcome to help you, to teach you and to assist you. So just do what you got to do, and if you mess something up, you do, and if not, whoo, success. Okay, we're getting the mulch. The guy said I could get 2, and I guess that's it. I don't know if 2's gonna fit. Okay. Well, we're gonna see if we have any overage. He's laughing at me videoing. Oh, that's gonna be a lot of mulch. Oh, they're good. He's gonna smash it down. All right, time for me to go.